Skin cycling, the 2025 skincare revolution you can do at home. In the ever-evolving world of beauty and health, 2025 has brought skin cycling into the spotlight. A minimalist, dermatologist-approved skincare routine that promotes skin barrier repair, enhances glow, and simplifies the cluttered product overload that dominated past years. Popularized on platforms like TikTok and now becoming mainstream among dermatologists and wellness influencers. Skin cycling is a strategic rotation of products across your nightly routine. It doesn't require salon visits, expensive gadgets, or professional treatments, making it ideal for audio-first podcast audiences and visually striking infographic-style podcast covers. Skin cycling typically follows a 4-night rotation: exfoliation, retinol, recovery, recovery. The first night uses chemical exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs to clear away dead skin and prep the skin barrier. This phase resets your skin's natural renewal cycle, allowing it to better absorb what's to come. By sloughing off buildup, it also minimizes clogged pores and uneven texture. It's crucial to choose exfoliants that are gentle yet effective. Think glycolic acid for glow or salicylic acid for acne-prone skin. Visual metaphors here can evoke renewal, clearance, or lightening the load. The second night introduces retinoids, vitamin A derivatives known for their anti-aging and skin-smoothing properties. This is where transformation begins at the cellular level. Retinol boosts collagen production, smooths fine lines, and helps control oil production. However, overuse can cause irritation, which is why skin cycling alternates days. The key is to apply it on a dry face followed by a barrier-supporting moisturizer. This night's focus is on strength, repair, and rejuvenation, the turning point of the cycle. It can be visualized as a deep reset or rebuilding of the skin foundation. The third and fourth nights are recovery nights, where the focus shifts to hydration, repair, and balance. You skip the actives and instead layer on barrier-repairing moisturizers, rich in ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. The goal here is to soothe and restore the skin after the intensity of the first 2 nights. This phase reinforces your skin's resilience while preventing irritation and inflammation. It reflects the idea of restoration, calm, and strength. These are the most underestimated days, yet they are critical to the success of the routine, ensuring that your skin remains balanced and adaptive. Skin cycling's rise in popularity is largely due to its simplicity and efficacy. It brings structure and purpose to a space often overloaded with 10-step routines and influencer-backed serums. The method is backed by science, yet flexible enough for personalization, whether you're dealing with acne, sensitivity, or early signs of aging. In 2025, more brands are beginning to market products specifically labeled for each night in the cycle, capitalizing on the trend with curated kits. Best of all, it aligns with the ongoing shift towards sustainable beauty, reducing overconsumption by encouraging targeted use. With just 4 core steps, it's easier than ever to stick with a routine and track results.